Hi everyone, welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this video I will discuss more about Python, that is class or static variables in Python. Class or static variables are shared by all objects, that is all instances of a class. They are defined within a class but outside any of the class's methods. Instance variable that is defined inside a method. For example, let a computer science student be represented by class CS student. The class may have a static variable whose value is CSE for all objects. And class may also have non-static members like name and role. Let me demonstrate it. So let's move to GeeksforGeeks IDE. Here, as I described, we have declared class CS student. Inside the class, we have defined a class variable that is stream, which is assigned by value as CSE. Then we defined a constructor which has two parameters, name and role. Then inside the constructor we have defined constants variable which takes the value of two parameters. Then we create two objects. When any object is created, it creates a copy of it. After that we access class variables using objects of CS student class. In the last print statement, we can also access class variables using class name like this. We can also conclude that Python doesn't require any static keyword. All variables which are assigned a value in class declaration are class variables, and variables which are assigned value inside class methods are instance variables. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.